Elbow touches are all about trying to open up the shoulder girdle and get the shoulder blades to glide across the rib cage, back and forth toward the spine and away. So how this works is you're going to take your fingers and you're just going to curl them in so the palm is open but the wrists stay straight. And that's important because the wrists will often try to take away some of the motion for the shoulder. If you've got a shoulder that's slightly restricted, anywhere else is going to try and volunteer to help it out, and you may not be aware of it. So one of those places is often the wrist. As the arm comes in toward the front of the body, you want to make sure that there isn't this angle to the wrist or this angle, but it stays nice and level. Now, you may want to actually use a wall for this particular movement so that you can teach your body to align itself in a straight line using the wall as a straight edge. So the heels, the hips, and the head can all be against the wall. You'll curl your fingers in and place the knuckles of the index finger and middle finger, the first two fingers, right up against the soft patch outside the eyes, called the temples. So placing those knuckles against the temples, you'll be drawing your elbows all the way together and then back to the wall. If you're having a very difficult time maintaining the back of your head, the hips, and the heels against the wall, you can walk your heels out a little bit further and kind of sink in or sit in with your hips in the back of your head and shoulders resting there that way. Bring the elbows together and then apart. For more intensity, you can actually do these on your knees and take the lower portion of your body out of the equation and focus a lot more attention on the shoulders. Now, this is all about opening up and re-educating proper hinge function of the shoulder and proper glide of the shoulder blades. There shouldn't be any pain when doing this, so make sure that that's not occurring, but you might find that it is truly a challenge to actually bring those elbows together at first. In fact, if there is no pain and you're unable to bring those elbows together at the first repetition or two, keep on going and just keep on working it and have faith that eventually they'll touch.